I'm going to be showing you how to make Reddit reading with AI. So if you want Reddit posts or comments to be read aloud with AI, you can use text-to-speech tools or AI readers. So here are the easiest methods. So if you're using phone like me, then you need to use Reddit TTS apps. So some apps automatically read Reddit posts like stories. So some of them are Relay for Reddit or Red Reader. So you just need to install the app. What you need to do is be on your app library and search for App Store or Play Store if you're using an Android. Once you've done so, just look at the bottom right where you can see this magnifying glass, and you just need to search for Relay for Reddit or Red Reader. So you have multiple apps for this. All you need to do is install the app, and you just need to open a Reddit post, and you can just use the read aloud option, and the app will read the post and comments using AI voice. So that's how you make Reddit read posts with AI.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.